A moderate magnitude 4.4 earthquake occurred under the sea near the coast of in the early morning of Thursday, February 1, 2024 at 4:05 a.m. local time, GMT+12. The quake had a great depth of 726 kilometers, 451 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. The Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey, New Zealand reported the exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.